Is your best sellers rank missing? If you don't see a sales rank on your listing, you're not just losing status, you're technically invisible to the Amazon algorithm. So customers can't see you unless you're running Amazon ads or you give them the direct link, and you don't want that. That's going to decrease sales significantly. So if we're looking on Amazon right now and we type in, for example, tennis ball shooter, right? And we click on an item. Let's say this is our item right here. It's our tennis ball shooter, and it's a big ticket product. We want to generate as many sales as possible. But then what we realize is that nobody's finding our listing. And we're like, why aren't we generating sales? We're barely showing up on Amazon. And the big thing is there is no sales rank. So if you go to your product information and there's no number like sales rank, best sellers rank, that is bad, right? That's why your sales aren't picking up. That's why you're barely getting seen. That's why you're barely generating sales. What it's supposed to look like is just like this, where it shows a best sellers rank, right? Should show something like this, a number, your category, something, but this one doesn't show it and this one does, right? Now, the first big tip that I want to share with you is going to be that you do need to generate a sale in order to get a sales rank on Amazon. So it's not super intuitive. You're like, what the, I'm not going to get seen. How am I generating a sale? You can use Amazon ads, right? But you're not going to get a sales rank until you generate at least one sale on Amazon. Then they give you a sales rank, right? But sometimes Amazon randomly takes away your sales rank. There's an error in your listing. Amazon's just being Amazon and has internal errors, and they accidentally take your sales rank away. So if you have a huge drop in sales, something's happening, definitely check your sales rank first, because your listing might be suppressed, and the easiest way to get your sales rank back is to use the category change option, right? And this is where you optimize and pretty much put your category in or change your category on Amazon. So go into your inventory and then find one of your items that you're selling, get the ASIN of the item and the SKU. I would just have this up and ready to go. Then you're going to go into the search bar. And what you're going to do in the search bar is you're going to pretty much just type in change category. Click search. And it's going to say update product category. Click on that. And you're going to change the browse node or the path. This is the official term. So if you're talking to Amazon, you can say that you need to change the browse node or your browse node isn't showing. But you're just going to click change browse node to path, which is a fancy way of saying that you're going to change your category. You're then going to copy your ASIN, put it in here, click continue. And then it's going to load, and you're going to click the SKU that you want to do. If there's multiple SKUs, I would do this multiple times for each SKU just in case. We're just going to click this one. And then you're going to go through and actually manually pick what category you want to show up in, right? So maybe if it's grocery bags, sometimes you have to actually manually go through the nodes, but pick which one you want to show up in. You can also look at your top competitors on what they're showing up in and make sure you're in the right one. And then go through, click continue, and make sure that it goes through. Once it goes through, you may need to wait around an hour. Sometimes it says 24 hours, but wait at least an hour and see if you're ranking for that, right? A great way to see is to contact Amazon and say, hey, am I showing up for this browse node? And they can double check if you're showing up for that browse node. So make sure to take a screenshot of this and then say, am I showing up for this? And then you can copy it and paste it, and you can get a good yes or no if you're actually showing up for that on your listing or not. Now, the next thing to do, and I would just do this at the same time, is to try to get to the catalog team, right? You want to escalate it, especially if your product was generating tons of sales and they just removed your BSR, which is your best seller rating. You're going to contact Amazon. You're going to mention that you are generating sales. You're going to take a screenshot that shows you're getting orders. And you're going to mention competitors in the same category also have a sales rank. Because what Amazon's going to say is you aren't generating sales and you already provided them with a screenshot, so they're not going to say that. And they might say that, oh, you're in a category that doesn't have a sales rank, and you're going to show them competitors in the same category that do have a sales rank. So then you kind of cross those out. Then you're going to go back to Amazon, go to help, manage or get help and resources in the top right-hand corner, and contact Amazon. And you're going to say, hey, my sales rank is missing. Competitor one has a sales rank in the same category. I'm generating sales. Please give me my sales rank back or refresh my listing. And what you want to do is really get to the catalog team, because they deal with this all the time and they can fix it on demand, right? You're going to, when you first open it up, most likely you're going to get somebody that doesn't know what they're doing, doesn't know what a category node is, right? And you want to get somebody who does know what they're doing. So try to get them escalated to the catalog team. And in the chat, you pretty much just say, hey, this is a catalog issue. I'm generating sales, screenshot. My competitor has a sales rank, screenshot. I need my bestseller rating to go back on my listing. It's not showing on my ASIN. Last but not least, there is something called an adult flag, and that can also cause your listing to be your sales rank to be removed. And only the catalog team, again, knows what a adult flag is. But pretty much there's an internal thing where Amazon puts a flag on your listing and you don't show up at all. Even if you have a sales rank, you don't show up, or your sales rank is completely missing. And this is mainly for adult products. So if you sell an adult product or anything that the algorithm AI could determine that is adult, this is a very difficult one to get removed. But it would be the same process where you're contacting Amazon and getting in front of the catalog team. You can also ask them if you have an adult flag on your listing, right? So they can triple check that, because that's a specific term within Amazon. And of course, if your sales rank isn't showing up, you're not generating sales, there's just something wrong with your account, or you just need that extra boost, you can contact us. Not only are we Amazon consultants, but we're experts. We know exactly what to do. We specialize in Amazon, and we know how to generate more sales for your brand. So feel free to contact us below, right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.